di ba, iba yung nandun, small wins, small systems, big wins, mastering minor solutions for major impact. Now, if you're going to think about it, wow, Miss Mads na naman. Big words. Ano ba yan? Bakit big words? How am I going to understand those things? Now, it's very important for you. I asked earlier kung ilan taon na kayo, anong grade ninyo. And if I'm not mistaken, you are in senior high school, correct? Tama po. You are in senior high school. So being a senior high school student, ilang 1 year na lang, 2 years na lang, you're going to be in college. It is very important for you to be able to Ayan, hello, alright. It's very important for you to be able to realize how much little things can eventually, diba, can eventually be added up to become big wins. And how are we going to do that? That is the key topic for today. So let's see the next slide. What's your New Year's resolution? Ito gagawin natin. Meron kayong cellphone? Meron. May notes app. Yes. So sa notes app ninyo, ipakita doon, what is
regarding dito, next slide. So what is disaster risk management? So disaster risk management, malakas na bagyo, hindi natin alam kung kailan mag-earthquake, di ba? So ito yun. So next slide. So dito sa Pilipinas, meron tayong Senate Provision of Republic Act 10121. So ano to? So Republic Act 10121 Reduction and Management Framework and institutionalizing the National Disaster Risk Reduction. Nasa inyo. Magkakaroon pa lang ng bagyo, nagte-text na sa atin. So, di ba? So, yun. So, ito naman, typhoon, yung bagyo earthquake, and landslide. Hindi naman natin alam. So, ngayon pa lang, because of this risk reduction management, kumari, nagkaroon ng malakas na bagyo dito. Okay muna. Then right after, two or more barangay, nandito na yung MDRM o yung municipal, two or more cities or municipalities affected na. Anong ibig sabihin nito? So doon na papasok si provincial. Si mismong Zambales government, yung papasok si regional DRLC. So yung mga region 3 sa atin. Then right after, importante na topic for risk reduction management. Every day, kung napapansin nyo, yung mga punta dito tayo sa Iluwas, dito sa may kanto, kung alam dito dyan sa Iluwas, meron din nakasulat. Green na yata, medyo na siya, high level siya. So kapag mga yellow, pang-warning na siya talagang mataas na yung area, yun yung mga. Ay sa parang pangalan nito. Anong tawag yun kapag nag-win pumunta sa kanyang area? So next, disaster preparedness. Hindi pa. Yung iba, anong yun kanina yun sa picture ko. Water, siya, wasar siya, water answering area, or may nalunod, gano'n. And pangalan nito, kami yung mga rubber boat. Meron siyang north and south, Subic, ay yung pinaka north and south natin. Sa landslide kasi, katulad niya, sa preparation, yung mga responders, tinitraining din kami regarding urban training, yung mga ganung instances. Tapos, hindi kasi natin din